Welcome my people to another video. Today we are going to be doing something different. Wait, what? This is not Minecraft. That's illegal. I know. I'm sorry for saying so hard. Today we are going to be talking about birds aren't real.
And that's a fact.
First of all, you need to know what is birds aren't real. A movement where the US, what is happening with it, gaining a lot of momentum, my guys. There are rallies. What? That's so cool. So basically this movement claims that over 12 billion birds in the US have been killed by the government and replaced with drones used to spy the citizen. Can you believe this? How can they do this? Spying on us. That's horrible, and not gonna lie, this is actually something that is easily believable. You know why? Because that is the #1 priority for the government, 12 billion birds, that's definitely possible, and not a waste of literal resources. That is literal their #1 priority, okay? Trust me. I know. Oh, anyways, they spy on us. Not cool, man. That ain't cool, trust me. Not cool. I like how this thing is literally only in America, the country of freedom. Maybe a little too much freedom, if I would be allowed to say. So, birds aren't real was actually formed satirically and was poking fun at other conspiracy theories. Not that bad. It's just a joke, right? How many followers do they have on Instagram? 341k. Just a second. I don't like how this looks. This looks like million. I can't have this. So let me just put 10k here. Yeah, much better followers. This is what Maritorium is followers. And let's see how many on Twitter. 59.3k. That's pretty nice, Not bad. Birds aren't real. 1 million views, okay, that's something. Not gonna lie, that's something. I like this thread. Now you're telling me they know how to play basketball? This AI is getting scarily advanced. I know, it's real bad stuff going on. Damn, that was wild. Look at that fire. So sick. What's that flag? Is it Soviet Russia? Anything for the motherland, am I right? So apparently there is a guy called Msindo, which is a mastermind apparently, and he uses this conspiracy to earn money by selling birds aren't real inspired foods. That's sick. Anyways, people take this too seriously. Some people take this a little bit too seriously. And today we are going to be reacting at those comments on Instagram first of all, and after that we'll go on Twitter. So PUBG Mobile Man says, "Oh god, I'll be joining guys, let's do this." What a hero, am I right? What a hero. I can't tell if you believe birds aren't real or if you're taking this meme to a next level. Not you having birds on your page. Shake my head. Oh look, he has birds on his page. Calling double-digit IQ when I see it. If I see a spade, it is a spade. Watch out, been done, watch out, world. He has such a way with words, this mate. I thought this was a joke. It is. And then the other guy says, "Are you a bird bot posting on here to devalue these movements?" No joke, look at that. The great vanishing is real. We speak of it on this new podcast, The Leather Rose. It's hard to get this info out to the world. The crack has spoken. Legendary comments, not gonna lie. Wish I could be that. Why? Just why? Shut up. Okay, I can't say that you're wrong. Now let's go to Twitter and let's check how these mates are doing in the comments, because Twitter has really great comments. 1 million views, 299 comments. Seems legit. Oh no, I just want to see the cards. Can I do that? Please, oh thank you. Explain this genius. What is this pick? I don't even want to know. Attack drone. Nice try. 355 likes. Only a living. Okay, so as I was saying, only a vain creature would look into the camera like that. Emoji spammer, great stuff. It also got a retweet. Deserved 100%. It's not a meme, it's a movement. Yes, a very important movement. And this mate, Joey, says, long goodbye. I think same. Actually, how am I supposed to warn my people if you don't ship to Australia? He just wants to take part of this activity, of this movement, but he can't because he's Australian, not American. Such a big discrimination. Do Americans treat their mentally challenged as experts? Yeah. Nice sentence. Why was he even on the show? To embarrass himself? You call this man mentally challenged for speaking the truth. It's the truth, god damn it, it's the truth. Trust us. You have been warning people. Accept the truth. Well, I shall also accept the truth, am I right? Hey, download their bot, it's here. Let's go. So cool. Okay, but how do you explain X? Oh, they are just, Soylent Green, which is sold in the grocery store, said by an expert, so we should really trust him. And here is some proof with a prototype model from these legends. Looks sick though. Not gonna lie, this looks sick. Yeah, I think we're gonna wrap it up here. Don't believe this shit. It's not real. Oh, now insects aren't real. Solid. Yeah, insects have been cancelled, everyone. So yeah, don't trust this. Just don't. It's fake and it's so dumb. And also subscribe for more videos. Because I have those planned. I'll do more Minecraft, why not? I just found this and pretty cool, pretty fun to laugh at people being. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Peace out, my dudes. Peace out. Birds aren't real. It's your daddy dressed up.